Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be starting a new series, kind of just like, not really a series, but like an every Saturday night thing. I'll probably upload it on Sunday. Film on Saturday, upload Sunday. And it's just gonna be basically me mounting the camera. My suction cup mounts right to this. I don't have a sunroof, but I just wanted to be able to see me. I want you guys to be able to see me driving, steering, see the gauge cluster, see out the window, and just drive and put some cool vibes, some cool tunes to it, and just get out, enjoy the weather, drive around to different places. Probably just like a little 5-10 minute video, just to like just chill, cruise, just, you know, get in the zone, just kind of feel yourself, I guess, and just sit back and enjoy life, kind of. Just like, I don't know if anybody will watch it, who knows. It'll kind of just be for me, but yeah, we're gonna kick that off now. I just want to talk a little bit. I'm not really gonna be talking much in the videos, maybe just a little bit here and there, like if I'm going through something or whatever, but it's just gonna be basically just chill, driving, enjoying the car, hitting some back roads, city streets, whatever it is, different every week, and yeah, just kind of uploading raw footage. So I'll film as long as I can. My GoPro does like to shut off randomly sometimes, but it usually beeps, so I'll hear it and reset it, restart it. But that's basically it. We're just gonna jump right into it.
sensible people keep things in control. So, actually, therefore, the course of wisdom, what is really sensible, is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.